More than likely, it is not a surprise that I have fallen very much in love and in awe of Amphibole Quartz. Interesting name, Amphibole, Amphibole. They all start off as clear quartz. This one is also smoky. And look at the different inclusions in here. What a sparkle that is. Almost like the galaxy in a sense. Oh, there's a rainbow prism. Yes, I love rainbow prisms. That's probably why, among other things, that this one wanted to come with to find its forever home. And look at all of the iron ore. Trying to get this one in the light a little better. Iron ore. There we go. Hematite. And it has a touch of smoky. It's not completely clear like this one is. And even this has a slight smoky quartz demeanor to it. Look at how beautiful this is. Okay, now while we're looking at these beauties, they are amazing. Their energy is really high vibe. They're unique. As you can see, each one is totally and completely different from the other. I love that. There's some, looks like black tourmaline. That's the energy signature that I'm getting from that. Interesting. Okay, so I am referring to my notes because there's a lot about these beauties that I want you to know about, that I want to share with you. So they can help you create a connection to the higher realms, the higher levels of spiritual experiences. And what does that mean? If you are on your spiritual path, and if we're connected, more than likely you are in one fashion or another. And because you are, perhaps you meditate, you seek answers with your intuition, from your intuitive self, your guides, the angelic realm, spirit itself. You can access information held sacred for you in past lives. So many of us have been here more than once, and we bring with us memories, even if they're just very faint whispers. If you are not a proponent or a believer in past lives here in this realm or any other, there are secrets or things, emotions, experiences that you have buried very, very deeply. I think it was about a year, maybe 2 years ago, that I discovered something that had been buried for, oh my gosh, more than 3/4 of my life. And it was an incredibly powerful revelation. Thankfully, I had done enough of the healing work that it was just, oh, okay, wow. No emotional trigger, no emotional attachment, and I was able to say, thank you, you are free to go. They can help you break outdated and unwanted negative patterns. Self-lack, self-sabotage, lack and limitation, hiding behind yourself, awareness of insights that help you attune to the higher vibrations and wisdom of universal mind. And one of the things I shared with you earlier is that these beauties, wow, look, there's the rainbow right there. I love it. The energy is not overwhelming. It's not palpable that you would need to protect yourself from it. And how do you work with something like this? Hold it in your left hand, have it near you during meditation, or you can put it on underneath your pillow if it's not too humongous. And let's give you an idea of the size of these. Pretty big. These are pretty big size, about 2, maybe 2+ inches tall. This one's about 2 inches, so you get an idea of the size. This one is wider than it is tall, although it's certainly not very short. Okay, so on your desk, while you're working, near you in meditation, or even on your nightstand or under your pillow,